Although most pools do have an automatic cleaning system, you still will have to get out and skim out some debris every now and then. You're going to want to keep the debris out of your pool. One, it's going to look a lot better, it's going to look clean, and it's also going to prevent your baskets from getting plugged up, your skimmer basket, your pump basket, and so you'll have better circulation through your pool. Not only are the leaves unsightly, but they will also plug up your filter, your baskets, and they also do leave back some different organics that will disrupt your chlorine balance. You want to have a good quality net that has a good bag to be able to pick up the debris in the pool, and also one that has a lip that you can scoop things off from the bottom of the pool. You'll always want to keep your net moving in a forward motion. If you have your net sitting stationary or even moving backwards, the debris that you picked up is going to fall out of the net, and you'll have to start that process all over again. When you remove the leaves and debris from the pool, it allows your chlorine to be more effective.